What if I told you the same pig can be sold for much more money just by choosing the right time? Most pig farmers lose money not because their pigs are bad, but because they sell at the wrong time. In today's video, I'll show you the best times to sell pigs for higher prices, how to read the market, and simple tricks you can use to earn more without raising more pigs. Let's get into it. Welcome back to the channel. If you raise pigs, trade pigs, or plan to start pig farming, this video is very important for you. Pig prices go up and down all year, but smart farmers don't guess. They sell when prices are high, not when they are low. In this video, we will talk about best seasons to sell pigs, best pig weight for selling, how festivals affect pig prices, market demand and supply, mistakes farmers make when selling pigs, stay until the end, because the last tip can change your profits forever. Section 1. Why timing is everything in pig selling. Many farmers think profit comes from buying expensive feed, raising pigs longer, keeping more pigs. But the truth is, timing matters more than size. Two farmers can raise pigs the same way. One sells at the wrong time and loses money. The other sells at the right time and makes big profit. Why? Because pig prices depend on demand, supply, season, festivals, feed costs, market mood. If you understand timing, you control the price, not the buyer. Section 2. Best seasons to sell pigs. Let's talk about seasons. 1. Dry season. Best time to sell. In many regions, pig prices are highest in the dry season. Why? Less disease, lower pig deaths, better meat quality, more traders moving around, less feed shortage. During dry season, buyers are confident. Meat demand increases. Transport is easier. This means better prices for farmers. Tip: plan breeding so your pigs reach market weight during dry season. 2. Rainy season. Be careful. Rainy season can be risky. Problems include high disease outbreaks, muddy roads, hard to transport pigs, fewer buyers visiting farms. Farmers panic sell pigs. Because many farmers sell at once, prices usually go down. But there's an exception. If you have healthy pigs, good housing, buyers who come directly, you can still sell, but negotiate carefully. Section 3. Best pig weight to sell for max profit. Selling pigs too early or too late can reduce profit. Best market weight. Most buyers prefer pigs between 70 kilograms to 100 kilograms. Why? Easy to slaughter. Good meat-to-fat ratio. Suitable for restaurants and markets. Selling too early. If you sell pigs below 60 kilograms, buyers pay less. You lose future growth value. Selling too late. If you keep pigs too long, feed costs increase, weight gain slows. Buyers complain pigs are too fat. Smart farmers sell pigs when weight gain slows down, not when pigs look very big. Section 4. Festivals and holidays. Golden selling periods. This is one of the best secrets in pig farming. Pig prices rise during Christmas, New Year, Easter, wedding season, local cultural festivals. Why? People eat more meat, ceremonies increase, restaurants buy more pigs. Sometimes pig prices rise 20% to 40% during festivals. Smart move. Count backward from festival dates. Plan breeding so pigs are ready 2 to 3 weeks before the festival. Section 5. Supply and demand. Think like a trader. Pig prices are simple. High supply plus low demand equals low price. Low supply plus high demand equals high price. Many farmers make the same mistake. They all sell pigs at the same time. For example, after harvest, when school fees are due. During disease fear, this floods the market. Smart farmers sell when others are not selling. Watch local markets, slaughterhouses, traders' movement. If buyers are searching for pigs, prices are about to go up. Section 6. Selling pigs during feed shortages. Feed prices affect pig prices a lot. When feed becomes expensive, farmers rush to sell pigs, market becomes flooded, prices drop, but buyers know this and take advantage. Better option. If possible, reduce feed slowly instead of panic selling. Sometimes waiting 2 to 3 extra weeks can give you a much better price. Section 7. Morning versus evening. Yes, it matters. Many farmers don't know this. Best time of day to sell pigs. Early morning, late evening. Why? Buyers are fresh. Meat traders plan their day. Less stress on pigs. Pigs look heavier. Avoid selling pigs when they are tired, they haven't eaten, it's very hot. A stressed pig equals lower price. Section 8. Sell live pigs or processed meat. Sometimes selling live pigs is not the best option. If you have access to slaughter facilities, you can sell pork directly. You know your customers. Selling pork can earn more profit per pig. But remember, it needs hygiene, proper storage, local permission. For beginners, live pig selling is safer. Advanced farmers can explore pork sales. Section 9. Common mistakes that reduce pig prices. Let's talk about mistakes. 1. Panic selling. Selling because feed is finished, disease rumors, neighbors are selling. This gives buyers power over you. 2. Not knowing market prices. Always ask. Other farmers, traders, slaughterhouses never accept the first price without checking. 3. Poor pig appearance. Dirty pigs equals low price. Before selling, clean pigs. Trim hair if needed. Keep them calm. Good appearance can add real money. Section 10. How to plan a yearly pig selling calendar. This is what smart farmers do. They plan breeding dates, expected selling dates, festival seasons, feed availability. Example, breed pigs in January, sell in September during high demand, breed again to target December festivals. This removes guesswork and increases profit. Section 11. Negotiation tips for better prices. Never show desperation. Do this instead. Be calm, know your pig weight, know current market prices, let buyer talk first. If price is too low, walk away politely. Often buyers call back. Confidence increases price. Section 12. Final advice from experienced farmers. Experienced pig farmers say, "We don't sell when we need money. We sell when the market needs pigs." That one sentence can change your business. So let's summarize. The best times to sell pigs for higher prices are during dry seasons, before major festivals, when pig weight is ideal, when supply is low, early morning or evening, when pigs are healthy and clean. Pig farming is not just about raising pigs, it's about selling smart. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below. When do pig prices rise in your area? Your comment can help another farmer make more profit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.